One of my favorite books ever by Napoleon Hill called Think and Grow Rich talks about how you will never run out of money and you will have infinite room to scale and grow if you focus on selling services. And that's why I'm a huge fan of the agency model for entrepreneurs. And yes, I ran an agency. I actually had 100 people in my agency. I ran it for 10 years. I sold it in 2021 for a multiple seven-figure exit. I was able to achieve the dream that less than 1% of agency owners get to. And listen, I believe there's never been a better time to start an agency and focus on growing your client's brand, because I believe you can do it 25 times faster with AI. And I'm going to share with you a roadmap in today's video, how to grow your client's brand 25 times faster with AI. If we haven't met, hello, I'm Julie McCoy. I'm a writer by trade. I've written some of the top read content on the internet, ghostwritten a lot more. I sold a human writing agency to work in AI. I believe it is adapt or die times. We're in the early stages of the age of intelligence, but not for long. Technology is coming for our jobs, and it's the entrepreneurs, the marketers that adapt to the right use of this technology that are going to win and make massive dividends. Over on X, I shared a thread where I talked about hitting $5 million in my writing agency, but it took me 7 years to build up to that trajectory. I am helping agency owners do that in less time with the right use of AI, because it's all about which platform you're going to use, which AI tool, and how you're going to use it. If you don't have agency clients yet, most of you watching this probably do, so we're going to keep this pretty short. Well, your first goal is to get some clients. Decide what you're going to sell. I'm always a fan of ROI-focused content and marketing services. You can't lose if you help people gain in search rankings. In 2024, Google still holds the majority of the market share when it comes to foot traffic and people actually using their search engine to get to the results. And what you're going to do is build high authority brands for your clients to help them climb up in the rankings, get found, even get cited in chatbots, answer engines, and more. How you win in this AI age is still by building a website, creating content for that website, and having an authority-driven presence online. And that's what you want to do for your clients. They win, you win. Once you have a few clients, and by the way, it's so easy to get agency clients, just find some local business owners and ask them if they want more money and more leads. Tell them you're going to help them get those leads and revenue. And if this is your first group of clients, you could offer to do it for free in exchange for a review, or have them only pay when you get the results. Getting hands-on in the work is really the best way to do it. I'm not a fan of founders that don't have the actual skill set. If you're going to be an agency owner, you should know how to deliver the work. And then you're going to be able to guide the AI platform, guide your team, delegate, hire, manage very effectively, because you have the knowledge of what it takes to serve clients well. Now, let's say you have a few clients you're ready to scale. That is a perfect time to drop AI right into your agency, give it to a savvy project manager or VA or admin type of person, really anyone that can follow directions and get it done. That's going to be a great AI operator. So you could go to ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, or Google for one of the millions of AI writers out there, because content is going to be a big piece of the core of your deliverables as an agency providing marketing services that grow your clients' brands. But I can tell you, if you were to sit in front of ChatGPT, and I have, you're going to have to learn how to prompt it in depth, evaluate that output, and then you're going to need a lot of other tools, editing tools, writing tools, integration tools, SEO tools. You're going to need to do a lot of copying and pasting, and you're going to lose time in that process. So let me show you a better way. Here's a real case study of an agency owner that was initially around $10,000 a month and is now headed past $350,000 in monthly revenue. And, it took me 7 years to hit my first million in my agency. I'm telling you, we're seeing people do it in under 2 years, which is insane. And more than that, they're getting incredible results from their clients. In fact, this example of Top Click Joe, who runs an agency called that, he gets his clients to the top of Google. He was able to secure $1 million contract for one of his service provider clients. And that is such a win. So beyond the revenue you pull in from your clients, it's even bigger of a win if you can brag about your clients. That makes you the best agency owner out there. So I just want to show you what's possible. That's insane. But let me show you the actual AI technology driving results like that, because a demo of it all, showing you how it works, says 1,000 words. So we've got many tools here in the Brandwell platform, which was built with the agency owner in mind. And let me show you the magic. So Rankwell is the all-in-one SEO platform that does very in-depth topic analysis, keyword research, full site audits, and it writes original content built with EAT in mind, satisfying all of what Google wants to see in order to rank that piece in the top of Google. So your cost per client is $100 whenever you add a new website. You can opt into what we call Link Co-op, the Brand Publisher Network, which is a natural way we build backlinks to your client's site. All of this is as simple as you touch a button. And that's why this is an incredible way to grow your agency, the way that Top Click Joe did, going from $10,000 to $350,000 months, because of what I'm about to show you. Whenever it's one click simple, you can have anyone, a VA, project manager, really anyone that can follow a set of directions, somebody that doesn't have to be an expert writer, doesn't have to be trained with any kind of background expertise. They just need to follow directions. So if they are setting up a website for a new client that you just onboarded, it's as simple as filling out these fields. And then as soon as they click create website, let's say your team's doing that, right? You brought the client in. Then we start a full site audit on autopilot. And we tell you at a glance all the content that needs to be rewritten, updated, the content that's in the green zone, well optimized. And you see that from one dashboard like so. So whenever we land on this website, we see I can rewrite all these articles that are poor at the touch of a button. We've actually done a lot of cleanup already, which is why our traffic is through the roof. We've got 4 pages, a lot of content. So we don't have a lot to rewrite. But with many sites that you onboard, especially clients that have kind of, let their sites get dusty, you're going to see the need to rewrite, update a lot of content for them. So within the project settings, you can directly integrate to your client's website as well as their Google Search Console, which means you're going to be able to control the content going out on their website, and you'll be able to see their search rankings all from one platform. You can also do all your keyword research, topic reports, content briefs, optimization audits. Let's say I want to do some keyword research for this website. Of course, this is website Brandwell. I'm just typing in a seed keyword here. I'm clicking generate keyword, and then I get a full keyword research report generated within a few minutes. So you can see we've got it all here at a glance. In fact, I have 3 pages of 10 entries, 10 keywords per page. I can sort these by ranking difficulty, search volume, and then with one click, I can go create content, or I can even create a topic cluster. I can add it to their content planner. And you have all of these tools per client, which is freaking amazing. I'm telling you, back in the day, if I had this to run my agency clients, I would have died, because this is beautiful. So if we go back into that project, let me share with you the content generation, because there's 2 sides to creating really awesome deliverables. There's the strategy, the planning, the marketing, and that's what this platform does as well. And then there's also the content, right? You want to be able to generate really amazing content. So that's what our platform does as well. Straight out of AI, the content itself is geared to rank at the top of Google. So this is the piece generated for the keyword AI content marketing. It went and found all the secondary keywords and entities. It's putting that into the blog. It's your job or your project manager's job to scroll through this content and make sure it's ready to go. What this platform also does is it does all the research, all the link citations. It looks at authority sources. It's pulling those in. If it's naming a platform or a tool, it's going to give you a link to that platform or tool. It's breaking up content, adding bullet points, adding takeaways. All this satisfies that helpful content update that came out from Google. And then EAT, where it's looking for experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trust within that content. This is all original too. So I can check that straight from our in-app plagiarism checker. I can run a scan on that. I can also detect to see if it's AI content or not. I can fix anything that it comes up and says, hey, this doesn't read correctly. I can do an NLP analysis of the entities within this piece of content to see where I'm at. This gets really nerdy, which is amazing. So whenever you have this platform at the agency level, you can white label this whole thing and invite your clients into it to see their content before it goes out. So this could be your logo. This could be your domain, app.youragency.com, and run everything from it. So let's look at WriteWell really quick. That's another tool suite within the Brandwell platform that helps you build over 40 different types of short form content. So when we click start writing, we've got agents, and these help us develop, like I mentioned, over 40 different types of content, from emails to books to Facebook content to influencer campaigns to LinkedIn posts to Medium articles. I mean, that list goes on and on. It's insane. So let me show you at a glance how good that content gets. So let's say we need an Instagram caption. And here's what I'm going to tell the agent. I'm going to pull up the Instagram caption writer and tell it, hey, write a post for me about my 7-day free trial. Bam. Instantly, I get content. I can add that to the editor. I can say this will be the IG post going out on the 24th. I can save it. I can add my team members to this. Again, I can add clients. I can add user groups and 2 different types to this. They can see this content before it goes out. So we've got AI agents built in that behind the scenes are prompted and built to give you really good content out of the gate that is structured to get conversions. So the power of Brandwell to support your agency and get serious traction is unreal. I want to show you our traffic growth publishing Brandwell content. We are the case study of what we sell. So within a month of publishing this new domain, Brandwell.ai is a brand new domain. We brought over 500 AI written blogs. All of those were written by Brandwell. We're on track to hit over 200,000 monthly uniques on our site. And this is, again, a brand new site within its first month. That's insane. That's the power of over 500 pieces of content that are live on this new domain that were all written by our AI. That's pretty incredible. So what you want to do for your clients is add consistent content, right? You want to add those blog posts to that content or to their site, build their brand authority, measure their traffic, and keep that up on a consistent basis. And Brandwell is an all-in-one platform built to support every activity you need to get your clients to the top of Google, get them their domain authority. I mean, from an automated site audit to automated natural backlinking to automated high quality content, we're doing the 3 core things you need to have to build lasting site authority. If you're an agency owner looking to adapt to the AI times, I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Let me know your questions, thoughts, roadblocks you're facing in upcoming videos and trainings. It's my goal to help people like you adapt to this new age and build a successful agency. I don't think it has to take you 7 years to hit your first million like it took me back when I was building my human writing agency. And that is beautiful news. You can get there in so much less time with less stress because technology doesn't get hungry, doesn't get tired. And if that's the core of your delivery system, that's pretty rad. So be sure to subscribe to our channel, leave me a note in the comments, and I'll see you around.